received some socks from Hellomamma, and it says that they offer comfort, style, fun, funky design, breathable cotton blend, individual toe compartment that align with the natural shape of the foot to prevent blisters, cozy, comfortable, adorable sock. There are darknesses in life and there are lights, and you are one of the lights, the light of all lights. So the company reached out to me. It's 5 pair of socks at the Amazon store for $18.99. As you can see, I chose the striped design with the black kitty. So this set has this peach color, brown, and let's see, then this looks gray, with a gray stripe. And then of course they have a matching big toe, and then a red, and a light blue as well. Super cute. And there are other designs which I'll show towards the end of the video, and they also have robes. They are regular socks to be worn. They don't have any safety grips or anything on the bottom, so it's just a regular sock. So if you love the kitty cat or a little animal design, this store would be perfect for you. And again, I'll put some information towards the end of the video, and then I'll put the link in the description as well so you can check it out. And then the back of the cat on the back of the sock, which is so cute. The cat's black tail is up in the air. I actually have a black cat, so these are so cute. So I'll definitely get some use out of these. I absolutely love them. And they do have them for children, different designs and stuff for children and men as well. So I'm going to try on the red. And thank you to Hellomamma for sending these to me. These are so cute. So they fit sizes 6 to size 10. Says they're breathable and anti-odor. I don't know what that's about. They feel really nice. It's a 5% spandex and 5% polyester. The rest is cotton. They have elastic at the ankle. And they're not really too thick, so they're perfect. My feet typically get hot, and these feel really nice. They're a very nice thickness. I could definitely wear these in replace of a typical sock. The solid color heel, the stripe, and then this light blue color sock, so cute. And this one has a red stripe with a light blue toe and a light blue heel. And that cute little kitty design on the back with his little tail in the air. And they're so comfortable. I would definitely buy some of these socks from them again. They're so cute. Wait till you see all the different designs that they have. Definitely a great gift idea all year round, whether it's birthday, Christmas, or whatever. They're so cute. This style of women's toe sock is $18.99 for a set of 5.